In this video, I'll be going over a tutorial for Kittl, and if you haven't heard of Kittl yet, then I definitely think you'll be in for a surprise because this platform has so many different things that you can do with it. There are multiple tools, so many different templates. It's kind of like your one-stop shop, so if you're looking for a new tool to check out, then I highly recommend looking into Kittl. And this video, I'll be going over basically a tutorial, but also just showing you so many of the options that Kittl has. So to get started, I'm just going to go over templates. Now, this can be helpful for KDP, YouTube, there's thumbnails here, Etsy, really any sort of platform where you're designing anything, Kittl can be helpful with. So let's start with book covers because if you're doing Amazon KDP, then you might be interested in book covers. And right here, there are just so many different options. Let me scroll down. You can change it from colors, themes, styles, turquoise. Let's do the turquoise, see what comes up with that. And then there's also a sort by. You can do different trending. You can do journal covers, ebook covers, magazine covers. I mean, this is just going to be a way you can gather ideas as well and then also create in the same area. So let's see, maybe this gratitude journal. Yeah, let's go with this one. Just click on it, give it a second to load here. It'll open up the Kittl editor. So now you can use this as a template pretty much and make it your own. So let's look to the left here. You can add text, images. There are also AI generators within Kittl. I've already started playing around with those and I created a corgi on a bicycle. So that was pretty fun to create. But just looking here, you can do a mock-up so you can kind of see what it'll look like. But just clicking on these, you have all these options. You can change the colors, opacity, the size, text, add a border, everything like that. And then on the left here are just some of the other covers as well in case you want to change your design. So if I want to add, let's see, we can add a headline. We can add some vintage here. So I just clicked on add a headline. So I could type in here something like, I'm just going to put book. But just to give an example of what I can add, and then I can move this around. So for KDP, obviously you need to have the entire cover here with you, but that's okay. You could create this part of the cover here, download it, and add it to a full cover if you want to make them separately or something like that. Totally up to you. This honestly would be super helpful for ebooks as well because for ebooks you don't have the back and the spine and the front, it's just the front. So you just want to make sure you have your dimensions correct. And then down here, oh, this is really cool. It has all the different project colors in it and color palettes. So that's awesome. And then here you can upload and go to here. This will be, you have Kittl AI images. So if you want to create some sort of AI image, let's see. I'm just going to type in dog eating ice cream. I just want to see if anything's trending. Oh, this is so cute. So then it's just pictures of dogs here. And it's just adorable. So now I'm actually on the AI part, I believe. Yeah. So let me put dog eating ice cream. Oh, I didn't even finish it. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. I mean, this is just adorable. Like, imagine like having this on one of the covers of your books. Like, I think that's. I mean, obviously, you'd have to have a book related to dogs eating ice cream. I'm not sure what kind of niche that would be, but I think this is so cute. I mean, even maybe just patterns for scrapbook or craft paper pad books, you can create that in here as well. So now, actually, I'm just gonna go back to the Kittl page because that's just one of the templates and tools that they have. So then under tools, they have text effects, mockups, fonts, infinite canvas, Kittl print, and then all these AI features. Got a background remover, art feed, image generator, and then tools. They have an AI vectorizer, AI quote generator, AI logo generator. So if you're trying to create your own brand for Amazon KDP, this might be a great tool to use to gather some ideas and figure out what you want your actual logo to be. And then AI product backgrounds, and then there's also an SVG converted there. So convert any images into SVG. There's a learn place here, so you have tutorials, challenges, help center, like all this information you need. You can create t-shirts, labels, posters, cards. There's so many different things. So this is not just for Amazon KDP. This is for any sort of business that you have where you need to create some sort of design. And for example, like thumbnails as well. And then down here, just the badge, for example, hats, mugs, wallpapers, cards, stickers. There is just so much. Like this has so many different tools and so many different options. Invitations. You can create your own invitation if you have like an event or a wedding, or just if you want to customize your own, or if you want to sell customized invitations, you can do that as well. I know on Etsy, a lot of people sell customized templates or like customized designs in a way. So that's something else you could offer. Podcast covers, that's really cool. Children's books. So if you're in that niche with KDP, then I highly recommend checking out these templates. YouTube thumbnails. I love that there are just so many different things you can create here, because if you're a YouTuber, then you can use this for your thumbnails. If you do KDP, you can use this for your book covers. If you're on Etsy, you could use this for your sort of t-shirt designs, or if you want to do customized templates or paper kind of like resumes, for example, things like that. I'm sure they have something. If I type in resume, I'm just curious what comes up here. Yeah, they literally have templates for resumes here. So you can search anything in here, and most likely I feel like they'll have it. There's just so many different options. Let's look at the children's books because I think this is super interesting. We just click on this so we can see the templates. Oh my goodness, I think I actually lost it. That's fine. That's all right. Sometimes I don't always click on the right thing. But I want to show you because the children's books are probably similar to what the covers look like. So actually, let's go to the AI image generator because I want to just show you what that looks like because I think that it's really cool. So I'm going to click this here, text to image generator, give it a minute to load. This is where I created the corgi on the bicycle, and I just thought it was really cute. And I kind of want to go back to the dog eating the ice cream one because I think that was adorable. So I think that's what we're going to search. I'm just going to give it a minute to load here. All right. We already have our cover up here, so this isn't going to be related to our cover, but it's fine. Let's see if we can, trying to think if we should do something different or if we should still do the dog with the ice cream, but I think that it was just adorable, so I kind of want to do that. All right, let's do, yeah, we're gonna do dog eating ice cream. Generate image. Oh, I'm so excited. I feel like it's gonna come up with so many cute ones. Might be similar to what we already saw when I searched before, but we'll find out in a minute. And you can search anything here. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. I can even use this eraser to erase anything I don't want. Background, I mean, there are just so many different tools to use. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. So Nash has a puppy there eating the ice cream. And then, let's see. I'm gonna go back. I want to see if I just type in ice cream. There are just so many different things that you can create with this tool. And honestly, you could spend so much time just playing around in here because so many different options and things to do. So I'm just going to go back here, get back to this home page. So if you're interested in checking Kittl out, you can check Kittl out for free. And then also, if you want to be a subscriber and have access to literally everything on here, you can use my promo code, which is all capitals Taylor HYT. That gives you 25% off the first month or the first year on all of the different types of options that they have. So I highly recommend checking them out. There are so many different tools here that are beneficial. I mean, there's marketing, social, stationery, branding, business covers, merchandise, and then their whole AI tool. I barely touched on the tools that they have because this would be probably hours and hours long of a video if I went through every single tool and benefit that Kittl has to offer. but I'm just really excited about this tool. So I would love it if you would check it out if you're interested in that. I'll have a link in the description below as well as my promo code in case you want to be a subscriber and get access to all the wonderful tools that they have. So thank you so much to Kittl for sponsoring this video. And if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please feel free to comment below. And I hope that you have a wonderful day.